In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up project phases in CostMiner. This process is essential for keeping your project organized and on track within the CostMiner platform, a superb tool for construction estimating and project management. Whether you're handling a small renovation or a major development project, setting up clear phases will help you and your team see where the project is and what needs to be done next. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to head over to the CostMiner website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for CostMiner. Once you're on the site, look for the login button and click it. Enter your login details and sign into your account. If you don't have an account yet, be sure to create one before proceeding, as this will be crucial for accessing the features we're about to explore. Now that we are inside the CostMiner dashboard, navigate to your list of projects. You should see a list or grid of your current and past projects. Select the project you wish to work on by simply clicking on it. Once selected, look for a small icon that resembles three horizontal lines, usually found in the top right corner of the project tile or page. This icon is often referred to as the Options menu or Settings. After clicking on that icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. The next step is to click on Details. This will take you into a more detailed view of your project, where you can adjust and manage different aspects of it, including phases. Within the project details, click on Status. This is the section where you will define the phases of your project. You'll see options to set the phase of your project to either planned, in progress, or completed. Choose the status that currently corresponds to your project. Setting clear phases helps everyone involved know exactly where they stand in the timeline and what needs urgent attention. Now for each phase you select, you'll need to define the start and end dates. Go ahead and pick the start date when this phase is supposed to kick off. Similarly, select the expected end date, keeping in mind any potential shifts that might have occurred in your project schedule. Once you're satisfied with these details, it's important to click Save to ensure all your changes are recorded. Just next to your project dashboard, you can also click on the Status dropdown to manage and update as your project progresses. If you're ready to start work, click Start on the project status to move it in progress. You'll then see it listed there. When you reach completion, update the status to Completed. This simple update allows you and your team to keep track of how many projects are in various stages of completion. By returning to the In Progress or Completed tabs, you can easily view projects based on their progress, which is especially useful for managing multiple tasks at once. And there you have it. Now you know how to efficiently set up and manage project phases in CostMiner. This setup will help streamline your operations and ensure everyone is on the same page. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing!